In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a social media post, or a simple video, adding the right background music or sound can really bring your design to life. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and you have your design open on the screen. This could be any design type, a video, a slideshow, or even a static design you plan to download as a video later. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand side of the editor. This is where you'll see your main toolbar with options like Elements, Uploads, and Text. In that same left panel, look for the option called Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This section is where Canva keeps a lot of extra tools and integrations, including access to different types of media. It might take a second to load, especially if it's your first time opening it, so just wait until the panel fully appears. After you've opened the Apps panel, you'll see a variety of options. What you want to look for now is Audio. When you see the Audio option, click on it. This will open up Canva's audio library. Here, you'll find a range of tracks you can use, including music and sometimes sound effects, depending on what's available in your account. Once the audio section is open, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Canva usually guides you through the next steps in a very visual way. You'll typically be able to scroll through audio tracks, search by mood or genre, and see which tracks are free and which are available with the paid plan. To add audio, you'll usually just click on a track and it will automatically drop into your design's timeline or canvas. From there, you can preview the audio, trim it, or adjust where it starts and ends, depending on your design type. If there are any extra buttons or options highlighted on screen, such as Apply or Add to Design, make sure to follow those instructions so your changes are saved. That's all you need to do. Open Apps, choose Audio, and then follow the prompts that Canva shows you on screen to select and apply your sound.